craft, we're going to make a DIY sprinkler using a power drill with a drill bit, a water bottle, and you can use any size water bottle. I'm using a actual water bottle, and a roll of duct tape. You will also need an outside hose, which I obviously can't have inside right now. So to create your own sprinkler, you're going to need a empty, clean water bottle. So this water bottle just had water, so you don't need to go buy a bottle. You can just find one in the recycling. Just make sure that you wash it out real good and it is dry. The other thing you need is a drill. So I just picked a random bit that I thought would be thick enough for what I'm trying to do. So then I'm just going to drill holes into the bottle. You should wear safety protective gear and make sure that an adult is helping you with this project if you're not over 18. So I've put 4 holes in my bottle. You can put as many or as few as you like. So because this bottle is smaller, it will probably go flying once you put the hose on it, but I think that'll make it super fun. So all you're going to do is take off the lid, grab a roll of duct tape, and tape it to the end of your hose. And then all you have to do is turn on the hose, and all kinds of summer fun. And thank you for watching today's activity. I hope you enjoyed it.